Unlock extended, uninterrupted shooting with your Sony A1 by mastering the V-mount battery setup. First, let's identify your needs for longer shoots. The internal battery of the Sony A1 simply won't cut it. That's where the robust power of a V-mount battery comes in, offering significantly more capacity and consistent power delivery. To connect a V-mount battery, you'll need a V-mount battery plate specifically designed for the Sony A1. These plates usually have a dummy battery connector that fits snugly into your camera's battery slot. Simply slide your V-mount battery onto the plate, ensure it clicks securely into place. This provides a stable and reliable power connection. Next, connect the appropriate cable from the V-mount battery plate to the dummy battery connector. This cable will mimic the power signal of a standard camera battery, feeding continuous power to your A1. For added versatility, many V-mount plates offer additional power outputs. These DAP ports allow you to power other accessories, like monitors, wireless transmitters, or LED lights directly from your V-mount battery, simplifying your rig and reducing cable clutter. Once everything is connected, power on your V-mount battery, your Sony A1 should immediately receive power, indicated by the usual power indicators on the camera. You're now free to shoot for significantly longer periods without the worrying of battery depletion. The benefits are clear: extended recording times for documentaries, events, or any situation demanding prolonged use. Plus, the consistent power output can contribute to more stable camera performance. This simple upgrade transforms your Sony A1 into a powerhouse for serious professional work.